Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, Acadiana's dreary, gloomy weather pattern with periods of rain has no end in sight. Actually, we do have one in sight. It's going to be starting early Friday, and finally the sun back by the weekend. Let's concentrate on the positive and eliminate that negative, but unfortunately we'll have to deal with it for the next 24 to 36 hours. So let's take a look at the big picture. First off, outside, Justin Terro getting our weather shot, and yeah, this could be shot in Seattle, Washington, because that's kind of what the weather's been like. Lots of overcast, periods of rain, drizzle. Things haven't dried out at all over the last several days, and more wet weather on the way, and thus the flood watch still for Acadiana. And the nemesis, well, the subtropical jet stream that's connected all the way down to the tropical Pacific, and then we have disturbances embedded in that subtropical jet stream, and then this upper low guiding the whole mess, eventually all pushing eastward. But that means we're going to continue to see solid cloud cover, periods of rain, gray skies again tomorrow, and several inches of rain likely. You can see that's already occurring from Texas all the way up through the southeastern part of the U.S. Snow with that upper level low back across portions of New Mexico, where they have winter weather advisories in effect. Also winter weather advisories from Wichita Falls into Oklahoma. None of that around here anytime soon. Just plain old rain, liquid form with temperatures holding in the 50s. So as we put things in motion during the course of the day today, heavier rains over eastern Texas, southwestern, western Louisiana, and that's where we're going to see the most rain into the overnight hours, and then the whole mess gradually spreading eastward. Now, late this afternoon, early this evening, you can see the on and off showers across Acadiana, but just lighter showers right now from Lafayette Parish up through western St. Martin Parish, but the bigger, heavier, solid rains over to the north into Beauregard and Vernon parishes. So we do have that flood watch in effect all of Acadiana now for 2 to 4 inches. Could be closer to 3 to 4 southwest Louisiana, maybe 4 to 5 up across this part of the world. But the latest guidance is actually shifting the bulk of the heavier rains a little bit farther to the south on the RPM model. We'll show you that coming up in just a bit. And those flood watches continue back through the hill country all the way over to Mississippi. So if you have travel plans next couple of days, I expect wet roadways for sure. And tonight, the other issue, fog. That's where rain may not be developing for quite a while tonight. So dense fog advisory in effect for Iberia, St. Mary parishes on eastward. The rest of us, maybe some light fog, but as we look at the model guidance, we really don't see visibilities going down too much because we're going to have too much of a breeze out of the northeast. Temperatures do point close together through the overnight hours, so overcast, low cloud ceilings. But again, visibility shouldn't be too terribly bad, but we'll watch it for our friends down toward Iberia and St. Mary parishes. And this is the visibility through tomorrow, and they're all lower because of the rainfall. We get about a mile, 2 miles visibility when it's raining. So here we have the predictive radar model, on and off showers through midnight for most of Acadiana, more solid rain southwest Louisiana into central Louisiana. Then the whole mess begins to expand as we head into Thursday as an area of low pressure develops in the Gulf of Mexico and then moves toward Louisiana. So solid rains through lunchtime as well. More rains through drive time tomorrow evening, and then mercifully things quiet down as that low pressure moves off to the east. Lingering clouds stay through much of Friday, I think, and we see that on Futurecast as well. Pretty much the same story. Rains get a little bit heavier toward daybreak, and we'll watch the trends. Here comes that low pressure moving into Louisiana tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, and then finally drier air moving in as we head into Friday. Lingering clouds, we think, for Friday. The upper low is going to be still back over here, so that makes a good argument for a cloud cover Friday, but maybe a peek of the sun by late in the day. If not, we got sunshine for you on Saturday. Rainfall-wise, a quick check of the European model, 2 to 3, 2 to 4 likely. Higher amounts off to the north on this model run, which is earlier today, and this is the freshest one we have coming off the RPM model. Through tomorrow morning, ½ inch perhaps, and then you get into southwest Louisiana, 1 inch to 1.5 inches, and then you add tomorrow's rains. Everybody sees 2 to 3 isolated spots up to 4. This model going for a 4 over by New Iberia, but that can happen anywhere in the red right here. That corresponds to 3 inches or better of rainfall. So soaking rains, it's not about the rain totals, it's about how quickly it falls and where we might have some localized street flooding. So that's why we have that flash flood watch going. Temperatures stay in the 50s through tomorrow. We'll get into the upper 50s Chilling out as we go tomorrow night into early Friday, and then Friday with lingering clouds, lower 50s, wind chills though in the 40s, and then we head down into the 30s Friday night. But it will clear out. You'll see the stars, and then you're going to see sunshine Saturday and milder temperatures. So 53, 52 the low tonight, 1 to 2 inches possible with your rain chances getting pegged at 100%, and that's where they stay most of the day tomorrow. Tomorrow is an all-day type of rain. You want to stay indoors, get a good book, or get your Netflix going, or borrow somebody's account, which a lot of people do as well as we head into the weekend. Temperatures getting back into the 60s. Sunshine, that hydrogen reaction that we see in the sky, that'll be out there Saturday, Sunday. Some high clouds, but still a very nice weekend. Some rain coming in late Monday into Tuesday, but not a big thing. And more sunshine toward the middle part of next week. So skies will be brighter, just not right now.
Yeah.
For another 24, 36 hours.
Okay.